guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Melissa, but my friends and family have always called me Misa. We are going to be going over my go-to highlighters. These are the ones I reach for all the time. I have some high-end and then I have affordable drugstore options. So if you're interested in seeing my go-to highlighters, go ahead and keep on watching. Number one most used highlighter, and I have to stop myself from using this highlighter all the time, is the BECCA Cosmetics times Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. Honestly, I think this is a lot of people's favorite highlighter. It's a soft gold with sunny peach undertones. The texture is super creamy, super smooth. It's super blendable. Application with this, a little bit of it goes a really long way. This was Jaclyn Hill's limited edition collaboration with BECCA, and I don't think she collaborates with them anymore, but who knows, maybe she'll make a new highlighter with Morphe. Anyway, what I'm trying to get at is that you can't get this exact palette, but you can get the Champagne Pop in a single and also in a liquid form as well as a cream. So you have a lot of options there. This next highlighter, I was super shocked by how much I love it. This is the Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighting powder in the color Precious Petals. It's only $4.99, such an amazing price. And I really like the packaging. It's small, it's really compact, and actually really durable. This color is a shimmery rose gold. If this isn't your color, don't worry, because they have 5 different shades. The texture and formula of this product is a little different than like your standard highlighter. It's firmly pressed, so you will need to press a little harder with your brush to get that pickup. But once you do, and the application of this is so nice because it's buildable. So you go in for that first swipe and it's not this blinding highlight, and then you can just keep on going in. And I love that it's just a really natural glow, a glow from within, and it's really hard to overdo it with this highlighter. This is my very first glow kit from ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. I think it's the packaging is what got me. The price for these is $40, which is really nice because you're getting 4 really big pans. The thing with Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter is what I notice is their texture and the formula is more chunky and glittery. My favorite color in this entire palette is Gumdrop. It's a champagne rose gold that reflects pink. I'm actually wearing it today, and you can kind of see how you wouldn't think this color would be wearable, but I feel like if you do it with a more luminous blush, then it just fits right in. You can't even tell that it's this big pink reflect. The other two I seem to be gravitating toward more that I actually use mixed together is Butterscotch, which is a straight up gold highlighter, and then Marshmallow, which is a green gold highlighter. The one shade that doesn't seem to work for me in this palette is Starburst, and it reflects silver on me, which just doesn't go well with my skin tone. I just seem to be reaching for this. It's easy. It's, you know, one of those things that if you're traveling, you have 4 different highlighters to choose from. Moving on to a liquid highlighter now. This is the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops, and I really like the shade Moonlight. I actually purchased this little set that has 4 different shades, and this was a limited edition during the holidays, but I definitely keep my eye out for this coming holiday season because I guarantee they will have something very similar again. If you're interested in any of these, a full size is $42. What's really nice is they come in a really nice glass bottle. Moonlight is a shimmery beige color, and what I really like about these is if you want to give your foundation more luminosity, then you just add 1 drop of this and mix it in your foundation, and it just gives the prettiest natural glow. I've also used this with my beauty blender. I've applied a little bit of this product just right on the tip of that and spread it on the high points of my face, but most of the time I'm using this in my foundation. Last but not least, we have one of my favorite highlighters of all time. This is ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter in Wisp. What's awesome about ColourPop is they are a super affordable brand, and so this highlighter is only $8. The color is really pretty. It's a golden champagne with gold pearls, and the formula of this, it's a bouncy texture. I don't know if any of you have used ColourPop Super Shock shadows before, but it's kind of like this cream based product. It's really buildable, it's blendable, and it's buttery soft. This is probably the best cream highlighter I've used, and what I love about it is that you can just apply this with your fingers. Sometimes I'll actually use a beauty blender, which definitely gives you a more even, natural glow. And what I like to do with this is I use it when I'm doing my cream routine. If I'm applying like cream contour, I'll use this and then I'll set it, and then I'll even go over it with another highlighter just to give me that extra pop. I hope you enjoyed seeing my go-to highlighters. I actually have a few more in my collection that I haven't used yet that I'm really curious to see how they compare to these. If you have any highlighters that you recommend for me to try out, please leave them in the comments below. Seriously, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'm super excited to see you guys on Friday where we will be reviewing another foundation. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye.